I'm Vishnu, the founder of Invigilo Technologies, and yeah, I graduated from NUS a couple of years ago with a bachelor's in engineering degree, and I worked in a VC for a couple of months before deciding that entrepreneurship is my path and started Invigilo Technologies. Yeah. So Invigilo is a AI and IoT driven company where we use video analytics primarily to detect safety hazards in construction sites. So construction environments are very hazardous and a lot of accidents happen, not just in Singapore but globally. And what we do is basically place cameras around the site, and whenever a violation is detected in any of these cameras, our software picks it up and sends a real-time alert to safety officers. And with this information, they now can take preventive actions and potentially save lives and a lot of financial implications to the companies. Yeah. So prior to the COVID-19 pandemic, we had a lot of projects, trials, because construction economy was booming. But because of the pandemic, as you know, Singapore got affected really badly, and we had to face a severe slowdown in types of projects we're getting and a lot of the progress. So we actually pivoted slightly to kind of do a product that does COVID-19 enforcement. So we're doing social distancing, compliance detection, overcrowding, mask detection, and this got a lot of interest from the industry, and we implemented this in a couple of construction sites and also a few dormitories as well. So I would say it affected us a little bit, but we managed to pivot out of it. Yeah. So as you know, what we do in construction environments are things like detection of PPE non-compliance, detection of people being too close to dangerous machines, they faint randomly, and these are some of the things which can be applied to multiple industries. And so we do have a keen interest to explore manufacturing sites, warehouses, pharmaceutical hubs, and a lot of other industries as well. But we're starting with construction because we feel there's a lot to be done in this industry, but of course we're open to moving into the other industries over time as well. So primary clients would actually be construction companies themselves. So right now we're working with about 4 or 5 A1 contractors. A1 contractors are companies that do construction projects more than $80 million. And apart from this, we also work with a few regulatory bodies in the government to ensure faster and more efficient adoption of such technologies, because such a change has to come out as an industrial-wide kind of adoption. So we're trying to work with the major players in this industry. Yeah, at this point of time, I'm not sure if you've heard, but we got accepted into the NVIDIA acceleration program, and that gives us a lot of access to edge devices or high power processing units. And that's something we're looking to in the immediate future, developing cameras with AI capabilities. Beyond that, we actually want to explore wearables, sensors deployed around the site to send additional forms of data, and using sensor fusion with the cameras and the wearables, we're going to then give a more holistic understanding of the site safety and productivity to the project managers. So that's our future plans. Yep, thank you so much, and I'm open for collaborations. Very keen on exploring the Israel market as well. So if you guys are interested in working together, even for a demo, feel free to reach out to me via LinkedIn or my email address. Thanks.